Hi, I'm Marissa McHugh, and welcome to the Surgical Sewist. Welcome to my series on really quick and easy EPP tips. Today I'm going to show you how to baste some hexagons, so let's go. Put your fabric right side down and put your paper template on top. Now use your glue stick to put one line of glue across one edge of the hexagon. Fold your fabric over onto that line of glue and finger press it down. Using your opposite hand to hold the template down will keep it from popping up. Now move on to the next edge. Glue and then finger press the fabric over onto the glue. Again, glue your line and press the fabric onto it. One line of glue, press the fabric down over it, and keep going. You'll notice that I don't really care how the fabric folds as long as the edge is along the border of the paper template. On this last one, I did a good job of making sure that the edges folded under nicely, but you'll see that from the front, they all look fine. If you don't want to cut your fabric into a hexagon, you don't have to. I'm going to show you how to do it here with the fabric still in a square shape. All of the steps are the same. The fabric is right side down and paper template goes on top. Then we make a line of glue and fold the fabric over onto that edge of the hexagon. Then we just move around and do the same for every single edge. As long as the fabric is wrapped nicely around the border of the paper template, it doesn't really matter what happens with the pieces of fabric that are in the middle. And just to note, you don't need a fancy glue stick for this. I use Elmer's glue as well, and it works just fine. And your hexagon is now nicely basted. Thanks for watching, and follow the Surgical Sewist for more tips on quick and easy EPP.